Right, we're about to check out the Classic Car Collection. It's $5 per person, or if you sign up for a player's card, it's free. So, look forward to checking this out. Let's get in there.
Horse and carriage? Marriage. Big one. He doesn't look too healthy, does he? What's that man doing there? Quite something. Ambulance. Could fit a family of 4 in there. Like
That's huge, isn't it?
it's massive. How long the front end is as well. Like it doesn't need to be that long.
Of course it does.
See if I can even get the whole thing in. There we go.
That is cool.
That's really cool. Ranchero. This Lincoln is something else. I can't even get all that in. That's massive. It's just like the front end is like the size of a car these days. Impalas are my personal favourite. That Buick's pretty cool too. Get that all in. That is massive. There, yeah.
One of the designs.
So pretty.
Someone drew it and then they actually built it.
Yeah.
The line going up here, there's like one body hollow all the way through to the end.
Yeah.
They would have designed stuff like that in Europe, but they would just not built it. Scrap there.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Very red.
It's got a big hole in this side of it. El Camino. Plymouth. Plymouth. Chevy. That's a great colour. They have a car library collection. And you can come and sit
1956.
and read through them.
Hot Rodding magazine from 1956.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cool.
You've got all kinds of books, magazines.
Okay, so we just got out. That was awesome. Really liked it. Austin really enjoyed it. Definitely worth a visit, so go check it out.